Hi everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll take you through the Cash App installation process in today's tutorial. To begin, launch the Play Store on your device. Tap on the search bar at the top, then type Cash App. This is the application that we're going to be downloading. The process of installation can be started by simply tapping the install icon. Allow it to start downloading now. Once the download is complete, tap on Open. You can now access the application by logging in or registering using the steps provided. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that we don't miss our upcoming videos.